Today we are diving deep into the highly anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 3. We have some exciting leaks, juicy rumors, and expected features to share with you. This is the ultimate breakdown of what could be the best action camera of 2020-6. As of March 2026, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 has not hit the market yet. But do not worry. Extensive industry leaks and market trends give us a very clear picture of what is coming. Originally, many tech experts thought we would see this camera in late 2025. However, it seems the release date was pushed back to early 2026. Why the delay? Insta360 wants to make absolutely sure their new hardware completely crushes the competition. They are aiming directly at rivals like the DJI Osmo Action 6. Most predictions now point to a massive launch in the second or third quarter of 2026. The extra weight will likely be worth it. Let us talk about what makes this camera a true beast. Leaked details suggest the Ace Pro 3 is not just a small upgrade. It is going to be a cinema-grade tool. At the heart of this new camera is a massive 50 megapixel sensor. This is not just any regular sensor. It is co-engineered with Leica. A larger sensor means more light enters the camera. This means you can expect absolutely superior low-light performance. Your night shots and dark indoor videos will look incredibly clear and bright. You will not see that ugly, grainy noise that ruins most action footage. On top of that, the video quality is getting a massive boost. Get ready for 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Some wild rumors even suggest it might reach a smooth 60 frames per second in 8K. That is a massive amount of detail. You can crop into your video and still have a perfectly sharp image. If you love slow motion, you will get 4K resolution at a blazing 120 frames per second. It will also shoot in 10-bit color. 10-bit color gives you over 1 billion shades of color to work with. Your sky will look bluer, and your sunsets will look richer. The footage will be nothing short of breathtaking. But raw power is nothing without smart brains. Insta360 is reportedly packing a brand new AAA chip architecture into the Ace Pro 3. This means the camera will have advanced noise reduction built right in. It will also feature real-time video enhancement. Your footage will look professionally color-graded straight out of the camera. You will not need to spend hours editing on a computer. The new AI will also bring smarter gesture controls. This makes it much easier to start and stop recording without touching a button. You can just wave your hand while you are riding a bike or surfing a wave. Of course, an action camera needs great stabilization. Nobody likes shaky video. The Ace Pro 3 will introduce upgraded FlowState 2.0. This new system uses predictive AI. It will learn and anticipate your movements. To completely counter motion blur, it will fix image distortion on the fly. Your videos will be incredibly smooth, no matter how bumpy the dirt road or how wild the roller coaster gets. It is like having a professional film crew balancing your camera. With all these premium upgrades, you might be wondering about the cost. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to be a true premium flagship device. Experts predict it will be priced somewhere between $549 and $599. This is a notable jump from the $399 launch price of the Ace Pro 2. You are paying for that massive Leica sensor and the AAA brain. But wait. There is even more news from Insta360. A major patent leak from January 2026 reveals something totally different. It suggests Insta360 is also working on a modular gimbal camera. This new device is designed to directly compete with the famous DJI Pocket series. Some tech insiders speculate this new gimbal project could be the reason for the Ace Pro 3 delay. It might even influence the design or the release schedule of the Ace Pro 3. Insta360 is clearly planning to take over the entire vlogging market this year. Now, what if you cannot wait until the summer or fall of 2026? What if you are going on a trip next week? If you need a camera right now, you still have a fantastic option. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 remains the current flagship on the market. It was actually just refreshed with a beautiful new white edition. It remains highly competitive today. Still offers a great 8K sensor and a sharp Leica Samaritt lens. It is a brilliant choice, if you need to start filming your adventures today without waiting for the next big thing. In my honest opinion, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 sounds like an absolute game changer. The jump to a 1-inch sensor combined with a triple AI chip will likely set a totally new standard for action cameras. The price increase makes perfect sense for the cinema-grade quality you are getting. It will be the ultimate tool for serious creators who refuse to compromise on video quality. If you want the absolute best performance on the market, saving up and waiting for this release is a smart move. It will easily rival professional gear that costs 3 times as much,